pretty straightforward, but it's exciting. 1 dehydrator, 6 stainless steel trays, a mesh screen, a fruit roll sheet, a recipe book, and more. A few, or a lot, of your favorite foods all go on the trays. Then you slide your trays in. With only 4 buttons, the options aren't complicated. Just set the temperature, then set the time. Those are the basics. The process is mesmerizing and extremely satisfying. You might find it tempting to level up, especially once you find thick-cut bacon in the fridge. Or some marinated meat that you'll pay your roommate back for. Once you've mastered that, there's no stopping you. For instance, can you really be satisfied with plain old ice cream? When you can magically transform fruit into fruit paste, into fruit leather, into garnish? Oh, those beets? Let's whip up some beet powder. And there we have it, beet powder a la mode. Voila! Much better. Endless, amazing possibilities. We're rooting for you, dehydrator connoisseur. Live life tastefully.
The Presto Dehydro Digital Food Dehydrator. Great for drying fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices, and for making jerky and fruit rolls. Now you can dehydrate foods at a fraction of the cost of commercially dried foods. Dehydration maintains vitamins and minerals, and there's no need for additives and preservatives. Great for homemade jerky using meat, poultry, or seafood, and your favorite jerky seasoning. Starter packs of seasoning are included. The Presto Digital Food Dehydrator also makes healthy, nutritious fruit snacks. 2 special sheets are provided for making fruit rolls and strips from pureed, fresh, frozen, or canned fruit. 2 non-stick mesh screens are also included. They're handy for drying small foods and for the easy removal of sticky foods. This Presto Food Dehydrator comes with 6 trays for a big drying capacity. Extra trays are sold separately to expand the dehydrator up to 12 trays. A bottom-mounted fan and heating element provide consistent airflow, so there's no need to rotate trays. The digital thermostat and timer allow the selection of drying times up to 48 hours and temperatures from 90 degrees to 165 degrees. When the time is up, the dehydrator shuts off automatically. When you're done, the Presto Food Dehydrator stores easily. The cord wraps securely in the base, and the drying trays nest to save storage space. Simply flip every other tray over and nest it inside the previous one for a space savings of 43%. Great for drying fruits and vegetables, and for making jerky and
Magic Mill Premium Food Dehydrators, the trusted brand bringing quality and innovation into American kitchens for over half a century. This state-of-the-art heavy-duty dehydrator is a must for healthy snackers, jerky lovers, and home chefs. Its rear-mounted high-performance fan is powered with a full 600 watts for quick, consistent, and thorough dehydration. Distributes heat with precision, no need to rotate the shelves. Extra large capacity, perfect for large households. So many options. 10 large stainless steel trays hold more than 10 pounds of food. A unique hanging rack. A mesh sheet for herbs, nuts, or berries. And 2 fruit leather trays that can also function as drip trays. Advanced, easy-to-use functions and features. Precise timer and temperature controls for perfect results. Fast and raw options. And shuts off automatically when the timer rings. The Magic Mill also conveniently features an amazing extended keep warm function. It will keep your food fresh and warm for up to 24 hours after dehydration completion. Our dehydrators are safely designed with built-in overheating protection and are ETL approved. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe trays. Experience years of seamless culinary relish with